On Kickstarter, if you want to list the product on Kickstarter, is there any specific way that you're doing it in terms of maybe images or the video or the content?
So that's one thing that is very good when it comes to Kickstarter. I guess there's nothing to be good, but then I mean, once you finish your Kickstarter, your asset list is gonna be way bigger than if you just list on Amazon. Because on Amazon, you just need 7 images, you need EBC, and that's it, right? You might have a shitty video. That's it. And the key now, like every Amazon video, when you first launch it, you won't invest in the video. We just call it like that, a shitty video, right? But on Kickstarter, no, you cannot just upload a shitty video. You need to have an authentic video or story-based video or a video that really translate about your product. When I mean shitty video, I remember there's a Amazon's representative call me saying that, hey, okay, they can do a video for me for free. So yeah, I mean, if you can, just do it. What they do is they literally just combine all the 7 images together and put some transition and text on the video, and they just upload to my video on the 7th slot, right? So I was like, okay, that is interesting. If you are the sales representative, but you accept this kind of quantity, it means that other people will do the same. Because having a video production will cost you at least 5K if you find someone else, right? But if you do it by yourself, that would be 2K. So in crowdfunding, you have to first invest into your video, which is utterly most important stuff. Normally, we'll spend around 2K or less than, or like a 1.5K. That includes models. That includes finding a copywriter on Fiverr. Or if you can do it by yourself, then you can control it all under in 1K. So that will be the most important stuff. The second important thing will be your listing banner, right? So when you scroll, the difference between the EBC from Amazon, the Amazon EBC are very benefit and feature focused, right? Whereas on Kickstarter, they do have the same, but the layout is so flexible. So you're not limited to just benefit and feature. You would have a comparison chart. You will have at the end, you could upload like a UGC from YouTube, or maybe you could some earned media, unpaid media at the top, and you would have maybe what do you call that? Like the sample, the sample at the end. Because having samples, typically like the samples one is not really samples, because if you remember what we say is like we are marketing campaign, right? So you just upload a existing picture, you have someone else draw out that looks like a sample, and then you upload it into a site to turn the picture into sketching thing, and that becomes a sample, right? And if you have like a pass, like if you sell electronic pass, then you can just break open your product, and then you lay down the pass on the table, and then you can just take a picture, then that's your sample. So on Amazon, the picture is more of like very Photoshop, very graphic-y, very somehow clickbait-y, right? But then in Kickstarter, they don't allow 3D stuff. And so the quality of Kickstarter stuff, when you finish by the end of the campaign, adding all up, you have way more asset than just 7 images on Amazon. That's all I can say.